Welcome, food enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the secrets of making your food truly amazing. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, these 5 tips will elevate your culinary creations to new heights, so grab your aprons and get ready to impress. Our first tip is all about using fresh and high-quality ingredients. Quality ingredients are the building blocks of exceptional dishes. So, when you're at the grocery store or local market, choose produce that's ripe, vibrant, and in season. Opt for high-quality cuts of meat. You're setting success. Now, let's talk about seasoning and spices. They have the power to turn an ordinary dish into something extraordinary. Experiment with a variety of herbs, spices, and seasonings to add depth and complexity to your food. Remember, balance is key. Taste as you go and adjust the seasoning accordingly. Tip number 3 is all about mastering cooking techniques. Different dishes require different methods of cooking, such as sautéing, roasting, grilling, or steaming. Learn the basics of each technique and practice them regularly. This will help you achieve the desired texture, doneness, and overall. In conclusion, to make your food amazing, remember these tips. Use fresh ingredients, season with care, master cooking techniques, present your dishes beautifully, and infuse your creations with creativity. So, get in the kitchen, explore, and enjoy the process of creating incredible food.